Hello everyone! Welcome to this educational video where we're going to delve into the fascinating world of synonyms in the French language. Today, we'll explore what synonyms are, how to use them effectively, and why they play a crucial role in enriching our vocabulary. Let's begin by defining what a synonym is. Synonyms are words that share a similar or almost identical meaning, but may vary slightly in intensity, nuance, or connotation. To illustrate, imagine you want to express the idea of happiness. You could use synonyms such as joy, bliss, or delight. Each of these words captures the essence of happiness, but with a subtle nuance of its own. It's important to highlight that synonyms belong to the same grammatical class as the word they refer to. If your starting word is a verb, its synonym will also be a verb, and so forth. For instance, if we take the adjective magnificent, its synonyms would be other adjectives like splendid, superb, or exquisite. This grammatical consistency ensures that synonyms can seamlessly replace each other in a sentence. However, it's crucial to note that the use of synonyms depends on the context. A word may be more suitable in specific situations due to its particular nuance. Choosing the right synonym is essential to convey the tone and intention of your communication accurately. In conclusion, synonyms are powerful tools for language enrichment. By understanding their meanings, grammatical classes, and contextual usage, we can communicate more precisely and diversify our expression. Feel free to explore the world of synonyms in your own writings and conversations. The more you incorporate them, the more you'll master the richness and subtlety of the French language. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of synonyms in the French language. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Until next time.